In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine a line graph and column graph in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you may have two sets of data that you want to display together in a single chart. One set could be represented as columns, while the other might be easier to understand as a line. Combining these chart types makes it simple to compare trends and patterns at a glance. To begin, select the first data set in your worksheet, which in this case includes the months from January to June and the sales values. Make sure to include both the labels and the numerical values. Once the data is highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Open the Column Chart options and choose a chart depending on how you want the data to appear. Once the chart is created, you will notice that the vertical axis displays the sales values, while the horizontal axis shows the months from January through June. Next, to add the second set of data for profit, right-click on the chart and choose Select Data. In the window that appears, locate the Legend Entries Series section and click Add. In the Series Name field, enter Profit. Then, in the Series Values box, click the small arrow and select the profit values from January to June in your worksheet. Press Enter, then click OK and OK again to confirm the addition. At this point, both datasets appear in the chart as columns. The first dataset represents sales, while the second shows profit as columns as well. To convert the profit data into a line graph, click on any of its columns to select the series. Then, right-click and choose Change Series Chart Type. A new window will open showing the available chart types. From the options, select Line for the profit data series. Click OK and the chart updates immediately. Now, sales is represented by columns and profit appears as a line, making it easier to see both trends simultaneously. This method is especially useful when the two datasets are related but have different scales or units. Using this combined chart technique allows you to present data clearly while maintaining context, helping viewers quickly understand the relationship between sales and profit over the months from January to June. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.